Rahim. To start with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you and welcome to your English class. I'm your English teacher and I hope all of you will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty and all of you are doing well. Today is 6th April 2021 and the day is Tuesday. And today our topic of discussion is phonics. Yes, we will learn about some phonic sound and it is so much fun to learn this. So let's start it now. We have done half of the worksheet. Now we will do the remaining one. So the first is double E sound. It is a long phonic sound. Single E makes short sound and if we write E two times it becomes double E. It gives the sound of E long. Let's write some examples of it. Here first word is given. It is C. If we combine S sound with E, it becomes C. Yes, the same way. The second word is B. If we combine B sound with E, it becomes B. Next is tree. Tree. If we combine T, R, E, tree. T, R, E, tree. And the last word is three. If we combine th, r, e, three. Yes, it has three sounds. Th, r, e, three. Okay, so let's move to the next one. This is double O sound words. Single O gives short sound and if we write O two times it becomes double O, then it gives a longer voice of O. Let's clear it from examples. The first word is cool. If we combine k sound, then oo, then l, it becomes cool. Yes, as you can notice, there is a longer sound of oo. This is the sound of double O. Next word is fool. If we combine f, oo, l, fool. Next word is wool. If we combine v, oo, l, wool. And the last word is pool. P, oo, l, pool. Yes, this was the double O words. Now let's move to the next one. SH. This gives the sound of sh. S and H gives the sound of sh. Let's write some words. First one is ship. Sh, E, P. Ship. Yes. Next word is shoe. If we combine sh, oo, shoe. Next word is shop. If we combine sh sound with o, p, shop. Next word is sheep. Yes, here we will use two phonic sounds that we have studied now. The first one is sh. Next one is e. And the last one is p. Sh, e, p. And the word becomes sheep. Yes. And the last phonic sound is ch. C and H gives the sound of ch. First word is chip. Ch e p. Chip. Second word is chair. First sound is this one ch. Second is this one air. And the last is r. Ch air r. Chair. Next word is chop. Ch o p. The word becomes chop. And the last one is chat. Ch at chat. This is the 80 phonic word ch with at. The word becomes chat. Yes, this was the phonic sounds of today. Now there is another task for you. Make sentences with the given words. Here some words are given. From these phonic sounds, you will make sentences using these words. So the first word is see. What can be the sentence of the word see? Give it a try. Yes, let's make a sentence of see. Sea has blue color. Yes, we did it. We made a sentence of the word sea. Sea has blue color. Same like this, we will make sentences of the remaining words. Next word is got. G-O-A-T. Got. And the sentence is got has 4 legs. Yes, this is a good sentence of this word. Goat has 4 legs. Next word is flea. Flea is a kind of insect. So we can make the same thing in sentence that flea. Flea is an insect. Yes, this can be its explanation and this can be its sentence too. Next word is boat. We can make a sentence of boat. I like to ride boat. Next word is heat. And the sentence of heat can be sun gives us heat. Last word is coach. And we can make the sentence of coach like Ali is a good coach. Coach is someone who guides you for something. So this is a good sentence of coach. Ali is a good coach. So this is your home task. You can make your own sentences and you have to complete this worksheet. You will learn this worksheet also and you will make three more phonic sounds of each phonic words.